Hello everyone, my name is Ozel.
And my name is Muhammad Juhairi.
Today we're going to explain how to use the analog multimeter.
Let's go!
Here we have is the analog multimeter, also known as the analog VOM. This is the scale. It's a display showing your measurement in numbers. Above the scale is the needle pointer. It is a moving needle that points to your measurement on the scale. Below the scale, we have the adjustment screw. It allows you to adjust the pointer to the zero position of the scale. On the right side, we have the 0 ohm adjustment knob. It is used to set the pointer to zero for resistance measurements. This is the range selector knob. This lets you choose what you want to measure, for example, voltage or current. These are the test probes. The red test probe is positive and the black test probe is negative. They are essential accessory used with an analog multimeter to make electrical measurements. Before we start using the multimeter, here's some safety precautions. First, find a dry and flat surface to put the multimeter on. This ensures that the multimeter is secured and stable. Secondly, examine the multimeter before using it. Ensure that the multimeter's body and test probe are in good condition. A faulty probe can lead to inaccurate reading or even electric shock. Lastly, when measuring an unknown quantity, start with the highest range on the multimeter and then scale down until you get a more accurate reading. This prevents damage to the multimeter in case of unexpected high values. Remember, these safety precautions helps to protect yourself from any electrical hazards.
Next, I will explain about how to use multimeter to measure resistance. First, we need to take out the red and black probe connector. Look out to the range. In order to measure resistance, we need to use this ohm range one. We will calibrate the multimeter first. Select the 10 range and then connect the probe each other. Look to the multimeter. If the pointer not pointing at a 0 ohm, we need to rotate this mic knob clockwise or anti-clockwise until it pointing to a 0 ohm. If it's already pointing at a 0 ohm, we can disconnect the probe, and then now our multimeter are calibrated and ready to take a reading. Next, take a resistor which value we want to measure, and then connect it with the probe. Now you can see the reading on the scale. Since we are measuring resistance, then we will read this scale of ohm. Take down the reading and then multiply it with the selected range. And finally, we got the measured value of resistor. That's all from us. See you next time. Thank you.